Hi, my name is Mr. Johnson. I teach the electrical construction and alternative energy program here at CV Tech. And basically it's a 2-year program where we teach kids basic residential wiring and also commercial wiring. It's a hands-on training program. We cover electrical safety and OSHA 10 training. We cover basic CPR training, electrical fundamentals, wiring methods and splicing cables, blueprint reading and circuit design, heating and appliance circuits, conduit installations and conduit bending methods, residential, commercial service work. We have several articulation agreements. One is with SUNY Delhi. The other locally here is Clinton Community College, and also with Lincoln Technical Institute. We work with the IBEW. We partnership with them as part of our training in the National Work Readiness Credentials, which is part of the 21st Century Skills here at CV Tech. So basically, we cover a lot of the fundamentals that any aspiring electrician or person who wants to get into the electrical field would find of interest. Thank you.
Don't pull that wire out though, because we're going to feed it down with that.
The electrical program is one of the best programs that you can take here at CV Tech. The things that you learn in the program can help you out with everything. With me specifically, it made me realize that I want to join the electrical union and become an actual electrician. The things that you learn here, they apply to everything. You can fix an outlet at home, you can fix a light switch if it's broken. I would absolutely recommend for you to join the electrical design program if it's what you're interested in. It is one of CV Tech's best programs, and one of my best experiences here has been meeting all the other people from the North Country who are also interested in this trade. I have made a plethora of friends through it, and it's going to set me up for the rest of my life, especially when I go and be an apprentice. It's absolutely amazing, and I absolutely recommend it.
The electrical program at CV Tech, I think, is a really good choice, and it helps you just learn something. If you don't know, I walked in here not knowing anything about electrical, and it's just helped me a lot, and it's honestly satisfying to do the work, because after you get it done, it's nice to just actually have done something, and it's a good thing to learn. And if you think about doing it, I think it's a really good choice, because it can help out, because I'm honestly thinking about, after high school, going into a lineman school, and then just working for like NICEAG or possibly something like that. You're always busy, not just sitting around in a classroom. You're around doing everything, and it's fun. And the teacher's really good. The teacher can honestly he does what we do in 2 days in a matter of like 30 minutes. He's really good. It's a good teacher. It's a good program to get into. I say my best experience here is just meeting everyone, and then just after I'm done the work is just looking at it and just being satisfied with what I've done. I like it. It just feels good. And it's just a cool thing. And I think it's a really good choice to come to this program and to come to CV Tech.